Welcome to JH. Today, we're learning how to insert transitions into your Google Slides presentation. To begin, select the specific slide where you want the effect to appear. I'll pick the second slide for this example. Next, navigate to the toolbar and click on the Transition button to open the settings. Within the Slide Transition panel, click the drop-down menu to view your options. You can choose from effects like Dissolve, Fade, Slide from right or left, Flip, Cube, or Gallery. I'm going to select Fade for this one. Below the selection, you can adjust the duration. For instance, let's set it to 3 seconds. You have the option to apply the specific setting to every slide in your deck. If you prefer unique animations for each slide, simply navigate to the next one and repeat the process to choose a different style. Here is a quick preview of how that looks. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.